The third most sacred mosque in Islam is Masjid Al-Aqsa. It is situated in Palestine's Jerusalem, also known as Al-Quds. For Muslims, it is a very special and holy place. The Quran mentions Masjid Al-Aqsa in glory to the one who showed his servant our signs, by night taking his servant from Masjid al-Haram to Masjid Al-Aqsa, whose surroundings we have blessed. Surely, he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing. Masjid Al-Aqsa is not only important to Muslims, but also to Jews and Christians. However, because it was the starting point of the Mi'raj, the night journey of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to the heavens, it holds special significance for Muslims. According to Islamic traditions, Masjid Al-Aqsa was first built either by Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, or by Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him. According to authentic hadith, Masjid Al-Aqsa was the second place of worship built on earth, 40 years after the Kaaba, Masjid al-Haram in Makkah. Later, Prophet Solomon, peace be upon him, rebuilt and beautified Masjid Al-Aqsa, and prayed for the forgiveness of those who worshipped as Masjid Al-Aqsa, and the night journey of Mi'raj. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, traveled from Mecca to Masjid Al-Aqsa in a short amount of time during the event of Mi'raj. He then ascended into the heavens from there. This journey made Masjid Al-Aqsa forever dear and sacred to Muslims. In 638 AD, during the rule of Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, Muslims conquered Jerusalem. Umar visited the city and ordered the construction of a simple mosque on the site, where previously the Temple of Solomon, destroyed by the Romans, had stood. In 691 AD, Caliph Abdul Malik ibn Marwan started the construction of a grand building for Masjid Al-Aqsa, which was completed by his son, Walid ibn Abdul Malik. At the same time, the famous Golden Dome of the Rock was also built. In 1099 AD, during the First Crusade, Christians captured Jerusalem and turned Masjid Al-Aqsa into a church. But in 1187 AD, Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, Saladin, reconquered Jerusalem and restored the mosque for Muslim worship. In the 20th century, after the British took over Palestine and the creation of Israel, Masjid Al-Aqsa faced many dangers. In the 1967 Six-Day War, Israel captured East Jerusalem, including Masjid Al-Aqsa. However, its religious management was left to Jordan's Waqf authors. Masjid Al-Aqsa was the first Qibla, direction of prayer, for Muslims before it was changed to the Kaaba. The entire area, called Al-Haram al-Sharif, covers about 144,000 square meters. It includes many buildings, domes, and smaller mosques. The Dome of the Rock is a beautiful golden domed building inside the area, built over a sacred rock. Muslims believe Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began his heavenly journey from this rock. Masjid al-Buraq is near the western wall, where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, tied his riding animal, Buraq. The underground prayer area known as Masjid al-Marwani dates back to the Umayyad era. Bab al-Asbat, Bab al-Maghriba, and Bab al-Silsila are important gates to enter the masjid area. Masjid Al-Aqsa is not just a historical building, it is a spiritual center where prayers have greater reward. The prophets worshipped a lot. The journey of Mi'raj started threats to Masjid Al-Aqsa today, and faces many problems.
Interference from Israeli authority, attempts by extremist groups to dig under the mosque to rebuild the Temple of Solomon, restrictions on Muslim worshippers. Muslims around the world see protecting Masjid Al-Aqsa as a religious duty. Organizations like the OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, have passed resolutions to protect it. Every year, on Quds Day, Muslims around the world show support for Masjid Al-Aqsa. Masjid Al-Aqsa is not just a place to pray. It is a living symbol of Muslim history, faith, and spirituality. The efforts to protect and free Masjid Al-Aqsa continue, and it will always remain honored in the hearts of Muslims, inshallah, God willing.